I was in hospital for 5 years. Yeah, I suffer with personality disorder, and the difficulties I have are like depression, anxiety, yeah, challenging behaviour that I don't have anymore, but in the past I have had that. The reason why I had to have a direct payment is simply because I'd been my own boss. I'd have more of a say and more of a voice, yeah, and I'd be able to work the hours to suit me, yeah, instead of having a structure. I employed my own staff. I did all the interviews with a lady called Steph and my support worker that was with me at the time. Depending on how many people applied, we'd do all the interviews, yeah, and then discuss it with Steph, and then I'd go home and I'd make my decision to which support worker was going to work with me. Yeah, Steph was there a lot, yeah, and she helped me a lot, and so did the support workers as well. They helped me make the decision as well. The benefits, I get more freedom, basically, and that's it. Yeah, I'm able to spend quality time with my family, yeah, which they do encourage. Yeah, I'm able to see more of my son that lives with my mum. Yeah, I'm able to see my friends more often. I'm able to go shopping when I need to. Able to attend appointments easier. Yeah, able to do whatever I need on a day-to-day basis easier. Like, they've got to be able to trust me in a way, yeah, but I've got to be able to trust them, because trust is obviously a very big thing, yeah, for me anyway. Yeah, I struggle trusting people sometimes, yeah, so that's a big thing, yeah, but also the support workers are there for me, but I also strongly believe that I'm there for them too. Because it has to be that way, yeah, because, you know, they're only human and they have problems too. It's me who's kept me well, yeah, it's me who's kept me well, but the support I get from direct payments has also helped me too. It's helped me build my confidence, it's helped me find more empathy for people, I suppose, and just helped me be who I wanted to be. Well, it's not always easy to find staff, and obviously finding suitable staff's not been easy neither. That can be quite stressful at times, and doing interviews can be quite stressful too. But with the support of everybody around you, it does become easier. Direct payment would definitely be a good way forward, yeah, if you've got mental health issues, because it'll help build your confidence. I'd say to the mental health staff, whoever you work for should provide more training on direct payments so that people out there can get to know about it, and so your staff can know all about it to support the clients to be able to get a direct payment. It's really important that people get the right support. It's very important.